everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these crispy Belgian waffles. They're so crunchy and I have a layer of caramelized sugar on them. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is put 2 cups of flour in your stand mixer. Then we're going to put brown sugar, 3 teaspoons of yeast, and mix it together. Now I'm going to add some water, 3 eggs, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Combine this until it starts to form a dough. You'll see it start coming together. Once it starts forming a dough, slowly add 1 cup of butter into it and make sure you add a little bit at a time, otherwise it won't combine together. Once all the butter has incorporated into the dough, stop mixing it, cover it, and let it rest for 2 hours at room temperature. After 2 hours, the dough should be puffy and soft. Add 1 cup of pearl sugar and mix gently. After you mixed it, rest for another 15 minutes and then we'll get ready to put it on the waffle iron. Now that it's been 15 minutes, I'm putting 1/3 of a cup of dough on the waffle iron. I'm cooking this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Time may vary based on your waffle iron. What we're looking for is a crispy top with some hard, shiny caramelized sugar bits on top. Once it cools down, you'll see how it looks. Here's what my stack of waffles looks like. As you can see, it has such a nice color and you can see all the caramelized sugar bits. Hope you guys try out this recipe and let me know what you thought of it in the comments below. See you again next time.